The leaf spring acts as a detent to hold the various clutch settings. The metal spring can wear over time, sometimes breaking in two. Replacing the leaf spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. Next, I'll lift the gearbox and motor assembly away from the housing. As I do this, I want to make sure that I don't separate the selector from the gearbox. And I'll just twist it out of the way. Now I have access to the leaf spring, and I can remove it from the housing. The new leaf spring slides into place. I want to make sure that I have the detent pointed out towards the gearbox. And now I can place the gearbox and motor assembly back into the housing. I'll align the motor and gearbox with the housing and slide it into place. I'll also make sure that all the wires are tucked back into the housing. And now I can reinstall the housing. And that's all it takes to replace the leaf spring on your cordless drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.